I'd like to ask unanimous consent that I submit for the record a letter from American Land Rights and any attached material submitted by borrowers whose loans have been transferred into one of these LLCs, a letter from Merlolo and Gold LLP, and a letter from Tom Carson, doctor of appraising, really. Is that
without objections ordered?
You know, Mr. Edwards, did you go to, or did anybody go to any of these specific borrowers and say, if you can come up with 8% of what this is, what the loan is, we will give you a loan for the remainder of it. We will be a partner with you at 60%, and we will give you 7 to 10 years to do this, and it'll be at no interest, and there will be no recourse to you. Did you give any of those borrowers that opportunity?
No, we did not. What we do when
do you think any of those borrowers would have taken that opportunity?
I'm certain they would have, but I will tell you what we do when a bank fails is when an asset comes back into receivership because we haven't been able to pass it to an acquiring institution, we will work with the borrower. If they give us their current financial statements and we're able to get an appraisal on the collateral, we will try and do some kind of workout with them before we even put these things in a structured sale. It's a 6 to 9 month period generally before that happens. So we do work with these borrowers.
Well, you were at the hearing that we had in Atlanta, and Mr. Miller, and we had it in Noonan, Georgia, and we had people from Washington State, California, Nevada, Texas, Florida, and New Jersey that came that had problems with Rialto. Not one other mention of Starwood, Foursquare, Colony, anybody else. These people traveled on their own dime to come to that hearing. And that, I mean, you know, that's just one side of the story, and I can't wait to get yours on some of these other things. But that's a problem when you've got people traveling across the country just to come to a hearing that they're not even going to get to testify in. So, you know, Mr. Edwards, I just find it very, very troubling that the FDIC has not done more to make sure that at least some of these people have an opportunity to have the same deal you're offering other folks. That just makes sense. And with that, I yield back.
Thank the gentleman. The gentlewoman from California is recognized.